It's Miss Greco here. So I wanted to show you how you can download an assignment from My Learning on an iPad and easily mark it up in order to resubmit. So we're going to use the screenshot process in order to do that. So I have logged in as a kindergarten student and I have pulled up an assignment for math. So I'm going to click on where it says here is the paperwork. And that assignment is going to open up on my iPad. Now I'm just double checking to see how many questions are on here because I really want to make sure that in my view I see most if not all of the questions. So once I see that the document is here, I'm going to screenshot that document. In order to take a screenshot on an iPad, you have one finger on the very top. It's kind of like the sleep button or the restart button, and it's usually found at the top of the iPad. And then your other finger should be on the home button, which is the round one at the bottom of the iPad. Simultaneously, together, you're going to press both of those buttons in order for a screenshot to be taken. And you should hear what sounds like a camera click and see the photo. So once you see that there, you're going to touch on that smaller version, and as soon as you touch on it, you notice that marking tools come up right away. So I can choose a marker, a highlighter, a pencil, and then also a eraser with some colors as well. So we're going to just go ahead and choose the marker, and I'm going to go ahead and choose green. Green's my favorite color. And then I'm going to start working on my assignment. So it's first thing, I'm going to write my name on it. So I'm just using my finger. And then I'm going to follow the directions. Circle the groups that have 10 ones. So I'm just going to, again, use my finger and start circling to answer. Once you are done completing the assignment, you're going to look up in the top left-hand corner and press the word done. This is going to ask you if you want to save to photos. The answer to that is yes, you want to save to photos. So I'm going to press save to photos. And then that image disappears off your screen and you're left with what the original was before you took the screenshot. So look at the top, the little back arrow that points to the left, you're going to press that in order to get back to the place in the My Learning module where you can submit the assignment. So right up at the top, you can see an orange-red button that says Submit Assignment. You're going to press the Submit Assignment button. You're going to then choose the file, and you're going to select the option for Photo Library. You're going to go to your camera roll, find the object that you just wrote on, and then click the button. You can see that my little icon here is showing that I have uploaded this file, and then you're going to click the red button that says Submit Assignment. I'm not going to do that on my video because I don't want to submit for another student, but when you submit the assignment, then that assignment is uploaded to My Learning. This is probably the easiest way in order to mark up or write on a PDF file using an iPad. This will be the easiest version of the process of how to do that. So if you're working on an iPad, either it's your personal device or it's an iPad that you borrowed from the school, this should be the process that you use to be able to mark up or write on an assignment that you need to upload. Remember, Patriots, if you have any questions or you need any tech support, on our school website there is a link in order to complete a Google form, and then myself or Ms. Harris will follow up with you and give you some supports.